Good morning, everyone. I am Liu Tao. Welcome to the IM Motors Global Innovative Strategy Launch 2026. IM stands for Intelligence in Motion. We have been very committed to pioneering a new era of new mobility. Over the past year, our overseas presence has grown rapidly. We entered 33 countries with over 400 showrooms worldwide. Both IM5 and IM6, these two cars, earned 5-star safety ratings. In Singapore, IM5 has crowned Car of the Year by Straits Times. It is the first time for Chinese car has won this honor. Now, let's zoom out a little bit. In China, when we talk about the evolution of EVs, that the first phase was electrification. The second phase, the main topic, shift to cockpit, interaction, intelligent driving. And now, we have shifting to the third phase. Physical AI is coming to us. Why is AI the real turning point for next generation of NEV cars? AI rewrites all the rules. We're no longer just driving a machine. We're beginning to interact with something like a smart creature. To turn this vision into reality, we need one unified system. We need our cockpit, driving, vehicle, chassis to control together. So today, I'm really proud to introduce IM Fusion Nova architecture. Starting from the bottom, there are 3 layers. The bottom layer is a physical foundation, including the digital chassis and the energy core. In the middle, behavior control. This is a mainly intelligent driving in the future system. At the very top is holistic understanding. It rates downward understanding every signal from the 2 layers beneath. We firmly believe a truly intelligent car needs a truly intelligent foundation. The IM digital chassis integrates advanced hardware and software. The purpose is to coordinate steering, braking, motors, and suspension, and so on. Behind me is a very clear roadmap to show 3 stages of IM digital chassis. 2 major upgrades this year by the MCE. The first improvement is greater flexibility. The new IM5 and 6 will achieved by a larger steering angle. Today, IM is the only brand in the world that offers a digital chassis and intelligent 4-wheel steering system as standard. The value of technology, in my opinion, is to solve contradictions. Large car, compact turning. It was not possible before for the traditional cars. Second, safety is always at the core of every upgrade. And we're taking a major leap forward with the Maxi 2 wire-controlled braking system from Continental, the latest technology. When a blow-up occurs, the system detects it instantly, and the rear-wheel steering responds in just 14 milliseconds. Through coordinated control, the digital chassis proactively stabilizes the car and helps the driver maintain fully control your car. We believe the future of car is autonomous driving. To achieve full autonomous driving, we need a breakthrough for the next generation physical foundation. That's where full X-by-wire comes. Because conventional chassis use mechanical links, X-by-wire is fully electronic. 3 reasons. Responsiveness, second, precision. The third one, also very important, redundancy. For a car to truly drive itself, it needs to respond at the speed of thought, not the speed of metal and mechanics. Take our steer-by-wire system as example. With no mechanical linkage, it goes from signal to the action of the wheel in just 20 milliseconds, 4 times faster than the traditional mechanical steering systems. Every command from the AI must be executed with absolute accuracy. AI sends electronic commands directly to the chassis, to the actuators. Steering angle and brake force are applied exactly as requested immediately. That's the level of precision traditional system cannot match. And the requirements of L4 and L3 regulations need full redundancy. That's why we have 2 complete steer-by-wire systems. That means dual redundancy. If one fails, the other takes over immediately. Even if both redundancy systems fail, because we have rear steering wheel, right? The vehicle can still use the rear steering system and braking as a third redundancy. That explains full X-by-wire is the only answer in the future. In China, IM, backed by SAIC, we have very strong supply chains and safety standard. We don't just develop the technology, we set the standard for steer-by-wire in China. With IM RS8, we are among the world's first to deliver production-ready, regulation-compliant steer-by-wire system into mass production vehicles. RS8, over 5 meters long, don't forget, and it gets to the U-turn easily, thanks to the 4-wheel steering system again. But the best part you may notice is the smaller car need a full turn and half, but RS8 only a half turn. 4-wheel drive going to his extreme position. This is a driving experiences traditional steering system can never match. I think that wraps up the digital chassis. Let me move on to the other half of our physical foundation, the energy core. This time, we're bringing not something better, we are bringing something brand new. 800 voltage platform is proven in global markets. It comes from strong R&D and relentless pursuit of excellence. Our battery delivers long range on a single charge, adds hundreds of kilometers in minutes, very fast charging. But we know pure electric may not be the only answer for every market, for every country, because different scenarios, different situations. So we need something new. IM Super Hybrid system is not a better hybrid. It's a new category. Electric motor drives wheels 100% in our Super Hybrid. Very smooth, very quiet, very instant torque. It drives like an EV. It delivers ultra-long range, a smooth, pure electric driving experiences, remarkably low costs, and broad fuel compatibility. What makes it a real new category? From an engineering perspective, 5 breakthroughs. The dedicated 800 voltage max battery. On electricity alone, you can get around 430 kilometers. You can charge only once a week, maybe 2 weeks, according to your commuting distance. Moreover, it charges at the same speed as our 800 voltage EVs, from 30% to 80% in just 12 minutes. We developed the battery to operate across an exceptionally wide range of conditions, whether the temperature drops or the battery is running very low. The power output stays also very strong, at least 275 kilowatts. As a start output, minus 20 degrees, the battery keeps over 95% of its energy, 170 kilowatts of charging power from the start, even the temperature is negative 20 centigrade. Now, let's talk about the motor. The one in our Super Hybrid sits on same 800 voltage platform. It's like a EV driving electric axle. So you get high efficiency and strong performance together. Okay, let's move on to introduce the key part that makes it work, the Zypher 1.0 turbo engine. And it is specially made to suit our Super Hybrid system. It is equipped with the next generation VTG turbocharger and shares its core technology with Porsche. Thanks to the high precision ignition system, allowing you to use regular gasoline without any problem and concerns. The unpleasant engine noise could be a problem. Our industry first active ERNC technology cancels all the noise. And when the range extender kicks in, the noise increase in the second row almost zero. That means passengers won't even know whether the engine starts running or not. Safety is always in our top priority. It is my honor to announce that for all the vehicles here, we have delivered the number of battery fire incidents is 0. The standards we are using far more higher than the China latest regulation. If you talk about the EU standards, also far more higher. That's the reason why we can keep our car, our battery, the top safe level. Let me give a brief summary of the Super Hybrid system. A full week of pure electric commuting, charging as fast as our 800 voltage EVs, no drop in performance, in freezing weather, quiet, powerful drive for your entire journey. Now let's move to the second layer of the Fusion Nova, behavior control, which is mainly focusing on AD capability. We have created one of the few systems ready for mass production across L2, L3, and L4 in the same time. Today, our pilot feature are fully active in every overseas market we have entered and keep training the algorithm for better fit the local driving habits and traffic situations. Actually, we built the system autonomous driving capability with Momenta. Our collaboration has become the industry benchmark. In fact, Mercedes-Benz, BMW, Audi, Toyota, and Hyundai have all adopted the same platform, but we are the first one to use the latest features and functions. In China, our highway NOA and urban NOA already handles very, very complex scenarios like roundabouts, electronic toll collection gates, U-turns, and it performs even better than a human driver in most of the cases. Here's One Touch IAD, what we call your free AI chauffeur. This feature makes parking effortless, confident than ever before. And we're taking this experience even further with our MCE models. We're introducing remote parking and head-in parking feature. This is a new feature for IAD. You can now park in head-in or back-in to fit any scenario to the local driving habits. What's more, you can control the whole process remotely via your smartphone outside the car without sitting in the car. IM has been named in the China's first batch of certification and pilot programs, with a free shuttle from Disneyland Hotel to the Pudong Airport. And beyond China, together with Momenta, we are actively exploring L4 operatings in global markets, different countries. Let's move on to the top layer, holistic understanding. The central brain that makes the shift from the smart to agentic. In China, we already have a blueprint. We paired Tianwen with Momenta, the cerebellum, the foundation, the IM digital chassis, and the IM Super Hybrid system and smart cockpit into one together. And this is the integrated architecture we have already deployed in China on the newest IM RS8. Fusion Nova is more than an architecture. It is a philosophy of what an intelligent car should be in the future. The physical foundation, including both digital chassis and energy core system, with world's top-tier intelligent driving system. The car has the ability to drive itself even better than a human driver. The Ultra Agent gives us the car the ability to understand and to assist and to act on your behalf. 3 layers, one integrated system built for the coming AI era. At IM, we believe every mile counts. That's one of our branding's slogan. Together, let's drive to the next.